In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell assets on Behance. If you create digital resources like templates, mockups, fonts, brushes, or other downloadable design files, Behance gives you a professional way to showcase your work and sell it directly through your project page. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process, from setting up your project to publishing your asset for potential buyers. To get started, open Behance in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top navigation menu and click on the option labeled Share Work. From there, choose Project to open the project editor. This is where you'll create the presentation for your downloadable asset. Begin by adding a professional title that clearly describes your product. After that, upload a strong cover image that instantly grabs attention. Write a short but informative description explaining what the asset is, who it's designed for, and how it can help users. Try to keep the wording simple and direct, so visitors can quickly understand the value of your product. Next, upload images or short preview videos that demonstrate the asset in action. Showing real examples helps buyers visualize how they can use the files in their own projects. Keep your layout clean, organized, and visually consistent to make your presentation look polished and professional. Inside the editor, locate the Attach Assets option. This is where you'll upload the downloadable file customers will receive after purchasing. It's a good idea to place everything into a single zip folder. Include the main files, a short README document with usage instructions, and a basic license note. Also, keep your file names neat and clearly labeled so updates are easier to manage later. Now add preview images that highlight what's included in the package. Use sharp, high-quality visuals and show different variations or use cases whenever possible. This helps build trust and gives buyers a better understanding of the product before purchasing. Continue by filling out the remaining asset details carefully. Include a clear summary, supported file formats, software requirements, and any compatibility notes or limitations. Providing accurate information upfront can reduce confusion and improve buyer confidence. After that, set your desired price for the asset. If you haven't connected a payout method yet, Behance will prompt you to link a payment account such as PayPal or Stripe. Follow the setup process to make sure your earnings are sent directly to your account. Once everything is complete, review all your information carefully and attach the asset to your project. Then select Continue to Publish, add relevant tags and creative fields, and publish your project. Your Behance project is now ready to showcase your work and sell your digital asset professionally online. Keep your previews attractive, your descriptions clear, and your files organized to create a better experience for your buyers. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.